Hello my little punkies, Dani here, and I'm here with an exciting video. I recently purchased 2 pairs of YRU shoes that were 50% off of the sale price, so I got these 2 pairs of shoes for super cheap. So I'm super excited about that, and I've been wanting these 2 pairs of shoes for a while. One was suggested by my friend Brandy from Rainbow Goth Brandy. She tagged me on Instagram and said that these would be perfect for me. So I have this super big box that I got from YRU, and I've not opened it yet because I wanted to be surprised when I open it for this video, so I'm gonna get right into opening. The package is kind of looking a little rough from the shipping, but let's just open it up. Hopefully these look okay. That took some effort. Both of these boxes look like crap because they really smashed them in that box, but hopefully they're not messed up. But this is the first pair, so let's open it up. These are the Night Terrors in pink. So oh, these look super pink, way more hot pink than I thought they were gonna be. Get back in there. Okay, so they really have these secured with foam because they have spikes on them. So let's cut these off. So here they are, the first pair. And they are super, super hot pink, so that makes me excited because I do not have any hot pink shoes. I have pink, and the spikes on these are purple, like a lavender purple color with lavender laces, and the bottoms are purple, and there's like spikes on the top, and then there's like these little studs on the sides. But these are super awesome. I got these in a size 7. YRU, I usually wear a 7. My other shoes I have from them are both 7, so these should fit me perfectly when I do the try on. But I'm super loving these. There's just little spikes on the back. And yeah, these are super awesome. So here are the 2 together. Super awesome. And these come in other colors too that I think the silver, they're silver, and I don't know what the other color is, but one has like some kind of weird thing on the side here. I don't know if you can see that or not. Other than that, they look like they're made pretty well. Just looks like maybe some glue or something got on the side there. This one kind of has like a little dimple right here. And some glue residue right here. And that, they look pretty good. So I'm super happy with these Night Terrors. And I will show you what those look like on. here's the next pair, and these are the Comet in pink and green, and these are the ones that Rainbow Goth Brandy tagged me in and said that she thought I'd look good in them. So, and I agreed with her, and here they are. Oh jeez, this is gonna be hard to get out. This one's kind of smashed, but it looks like it's one of these sequin things that you can flip them over so that they're a different color. So they're pink and green. Here's the pink side, and I just flipped these ones up to be green. These are super cool. They're definitely different. I like a nice platform, but these are like, instead of like the tennis shoe platforms that YRU has, the ones that I have, the Cosmos, these are more of like a boot with the big platform on them. So these are the other pair. Let's open the other one. So these are the other pair. Very well, the green kind of matches my hair, or you can have them look pink, or a mixture of both. I'll have to look at the website and see how they have the boots, because it seems like they were like, you could see both pink and the green on them, but all these sequins like aren't wanting to flip over. So now I'm gonna try this pair on. Which of these pairs was your favorite, and I learned this from Barbie Punk. If you order directly through YRU, they're always doing sales, so I am waiting for that so that I can order my other ones that I want. So if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell to be notified when I post new videos. And so yeah, that is this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, same is lame, so embrace your weirdness, and I will see you guys in my next video.